Hi, and thank you for joining us for another wonderful Lightline webinar. Today we're going to talk about how to go trimless. We do at Lightline offer traditional trimless. We offer traditional trimless with our Sigma series downlights, our Helio series downlights, our forum panel, our track systems, and our click system. Sometimes we have issues with installations of traditional trimless. You can get a poor installer, a non-meticulous installer, and you can see chipping and cracking, curving of straight lines, nails popping out of the ceiling, and damage to the fixtures. One of the biggest source of damage to the fixtures with traditional trimless is when the drywaller gets mud into the housing or inside the fixture itself. So because we like to do things a little bit differently, we introduced PrecisionPro, a trimless system. It's a prefabricated piece of drywall that comes either in 1x1 sections for downlights. It comes in 4-foot long sections for track and click. And then for our forum panels, it is obviously larger than the size of the panels that we have to offer. With the PrecisionPro trimless, there's no need to worry about cutting out holes. You simply take the preformed panel that has the pre-installed ring and in some cases the pre-installed housing, and you install it at the same time that the drywall is being installed. It reduces the cost of labor. It's easier to line up the lines. The panel itself will have sloped edges, so it matches up perfectly with the other drywall that's on the job site. It's available in 5/8 inch and it's available in 1/2 inch. It allows you to have a level 5 finish on your ceiling. And you don't need a really skilled drywaller to do the installation. It takes out the guessing work with whether your installer is really good or not. So here's a little video for you to show traditional mud-in. And here's how PrecisionPro is done. It's a good video. It's worth watching twice. So with the PrecisionPro panels, as you can see here, this is one that's designed for recessed lights. We ship it out with the mud-in already pre-installed. For the forum panels, they come precisely for the correct size. You can line them up perfectly. And for our track system and our click system, we ship out 4-foot lengths of PrecisionPro panels for you to make installation easier. So as we saw in the video, you can take the panel and you can install it, attach it to the structure with screws. Then you can tape and mud-in for really a perfect seamless finish. So in this particular installation, you can see we happen to have 1x4s mudded into the ceiling. We also, in other locations on this job, have 2x4s and 2x2s. By having this fixture mudded into the ceiling, the fixture itself becomes an access panel in an office space for a hard ceiling. So it gives you a way to have a fixture that also acts as an access panel. This job turned out to be very beautiful. In this particular application here, you see the downlights, you see the flawless ceiling, you see how easy it was to line up the recess lights. The contractor could match up exactly ahead of time where each fixture was going into the ceiling. He wasn't cutting in after the fact, making additional messes. So it gives you such a beautiful finish. With track, what we do is we send you pieces that are 4 foot long. They're designed precisely for our track or our click system. We also make them if you want to match up 2 pieces of click. We will make it specifically for that. It gets screwed into the structure, then the contractor will tape it, and after he's done taping it, the installation becomes a surface-mounted installation. You're no longer held hostage by having your fixture being mudded in and never being able to take it out of the ceiling. This becomes a very easy installation. For the contractor, you don't have to worry about his lines being perfectly straight. The installation becomes seamless. As you can see here, a closer picture of how we design it for our track systems and our click systems. We have perfect corners. You can see everything lines up. There's no mud overlap. It gives you such a beautiful finish. This system also helps us meet fire ratings in ceilings with track. So if we use our 5/8" drywall PrecisionPro system and you ask the installer to also put 5/8" drywall behind that, you have a 2-hour fire rating. As part of our PrecisionPro family, we have a new family called the Fossil family, which is our fossil step lights made out of cast plaster with LED lights. And we have these beautiful step lights in a square, an oval, a little small rectangle, and a really tall rectangle. They're available as standard as 3000K, but they're also available in 27, 3500, 4000K. They're designed for indoor installation only, and they're a lovely 90 CRI with just a little 2-watt step light. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them for you.